Swanee? Swanee, how I love ya, how I love ya. I quit. I give up. I surrender. I've been working too hard. Take me to the Betty Fur Clinic.
Look at him. Have you ever seen a finer bird? Honk at him, 'cause his honking is the best we've heard. We are feeling rather strong in this old shebang. Maybe you'll forgive us all as we hope with a glass of soul. Sing again.
Of course I forgive you all. I'm just happy to see you. And I'd like to introduce you to someone. Everyone, this is Penny. Hello. Hello, Penny. Welcome home, my dear. I've been thinking. I've been getting rather long in the bill, and I believe the time is right for me to relinquish the red band. Wear it with pride, my dear, for you are indeed the finest bird on the lake, as I know I was in my day. And let it be known that from this day forth, the red band shall be known as the signet ring.